Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Remember my name. I'm Sam Martin. So today is a musical lesson here with you, and mostly this musical lesson is going to cover about musical notes. We are going to look at musical notes and their value. We shall start with the name, symbol, French name, rest, beat value, then the count of the beats. We have the counts, we have also the beat value. So we need to get the difference between beat value and also the count. Then we have something like French names, rest, the name of the beat, that is English name, then symbol of the beat. So let's start. And before I continue, I want just to conclude that this lesson is equivalent to all grades across. We can have beneficiaries from grade 4 to 6 and also grade 7 to 8 who will benefit in constructing their time, signature, and rhythm because they are composing nowadays rhythms using these beat values. So if you don't know the value of the beat, you are unable to compose also the rhythm. Make sure you subscribe. Let's start. So the first rhythm, the first simple and the highest note is the semibreve. And semibreve, this is the symbol for the semibreve. Symbol of the semibreve is an oval shape, and the name of the note is semibreve. The name of the note is semibreve. Semibreve. I have said oval in shape, the name is semibreve. Oval shape, semibreve. Then the French name, and for this, the French name now will have ta, then with other three, a. French name, I said the symbol is oval, then the name, semibreve. The French name is ta, You can count like ta, ta, That is the French name for them, the semibreve. Then the rest of this note, it looks like a graduation gown. You draw something like that, then you share it. You share the rest. The rest of the semibreve looks like this, like a graduation gown. Ile unavaa gown ya graduation. Okay. Then the beat value is 4. The beat value is 4, which is the highest in music. The highest beat value is 4. Unless if it is dotted, we shall come to learn about dotted, semibreve, and something like that. But if it is just a semibreve, which is the highest note, the beat value is 4. Then the count will also be 4. How are we getting the count? We come to a French name. The French name will give us the count. Like we said, the French name of a semibreve is ta, So let's count. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the counts. So the counts, we get the counts from the French name, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The count is 4. That is semibreve. Then we come to the next note, which is we start with a dotted minim. We have a dotted minim, then we go to minim. This is a minim, but it is dotted. So when a minim has a dot, we call it a dotted minim. We call it a dotted minim, and the name now will be dotted minim. Dotted minim. The name is dotted minim. Dotted minim, a minim with a dot. What about the French name? We shall come to know. This is the French name will be ta, then a. Ta, we go like ta, again ta, That is dotted minim. To the next one now, we go to the rest. The rest, of course, we write the rest of our minim, which is inverted. The semibreve rest, inverted. Now we invert it. It was looking downwards. This one will be upwards. Someone said it looks like a mountain looking up. My director, you can zoom to see the rest here. You can come close. This is the rest of a dotted minim. So we write the rest of a minim, then we add a dot. A dot like that. I believe you are able to see this. A dot, rest, then a dot. Dotted minim. What about the bit value? Bit value, this one is 3. Then what about the number of counts? We also have 3. How are we having 3? 1, 2, 3. So like 1, 2, 3. That is the count of a dotted minim. Then after dotted minim, we come to which is the next one? A minim now. A minim itself without a dot. So we just write the name will be minim. The name. You just write minim. So what about the French name? We remove, subtract 1, we get ta-a. We get ta-a. You can repeat ta, then a. Ta-a. And how do we clap? We just say ta-a, 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 ta-a. That is simple for minim. And what about now the rest? We just remove the dot from the above dotted minim to have now the minim only. A mountain only. A mountain without a dot. A mountain without a dot. You can see we are just subtracting the dot. And now the value will be 2. 2. How are we getting 2? It is 1, 2. So ta-a. 1, 2. Ta-a. 1, 2. Let's go to another thing where we have now after crochet. After minim, we go to a crochet. And how do we write a crochet? The next one is a crochet. The next beat is a crochet. And the symbol of a crochet, we just have the symbol of a minim. Then we shed inside this minim, which is D-like symbol, and we shed inside. So this one is a crochet. A crochet. The name is a crochet. We write like that, crochet. And how do we clap a crochet? A crochet is ta. A crochet is ta. Kama kuangaza tu ta. Ta. So even that one, you can just simply guess there. You can guess the number of beats and something like that. And then now the rest symbol is in lightning form. You can write a lightning or inverted 7. A lightning or inverted 7. These are the rest. They have to rest. Lightning symbol or inverted 7. Then the number of beats, of course, we have ta, which means we have 1, and the count is also 1, where we count as ta, ta, 1, 1. So this one is a whole note. This one 4 beats, 3 beats, 2 beats, 1 beat, and the number of count is 1. That is a crochet. And after the crochet, we come to the second last note, which is a quaver. A quaver. Sorry, my space is running away. That's why I'm trying to squeeze them. A quaver. Let me squeeze it here. A quaver. Something like that. Crochet. Then you give it a tail, or a beam, or a flag. This one. That is a tail, beam, or a flag. It's just a crochet and you give it a tail. This one. A tail. And this one is called a quaver. This one is called a quaver. So how do we write a quaver? The name is a quaver. Quaver. And what do you think will be the beat for this? These ones will be tate. You can see tate. You can say something like tate. Ta. Te. Tate. Then what about the The rest will be like a walking stick, or 7, a walking stick. Then the value is a half. The count is a half. So how are we getting this? This is just 2 short beats where we have the count will be 2, sorry, because they are short beats. 2 short beats, 2 short beats, 2 short beats where we have tate, tate, tate. Those are 2 short beats. Tate, 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 something like that. Then the next one now is a semiquaver. A semiquaver has 2 flags. A semiquaver has 2 flags, as you can see. 1, 2, 1, 2. After quaver, semiquaver, 2 flags. And the value here, the name, you write semiquaver. Semiquaver. What about the value? This one will be tafa tefe. Tafa tefe. French name tafa tefe. Tafa tefe. Tafa tefe. Rest just like 7. Then another flag to be 2 tails. 1, 2, 1, 2. And the value here will be a quarter. The beat value will be a quarter. Then the count will be 4, but shorter ones. 4 shorter ones. That is when we have tafa tefe, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tafa tefe, tafa tefe, tafa tefe. So you count 4, but very fast. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tafa tefe, tafa tefe. But now the beat value is a quarter. The beat value is a quarter. These are the main musical notes with their symbol, the name, the French name, the rest, the beat value, and the count. And this one applies all across the musical classes from grade 4 to to junior school, and also campuses where you learn music. And the highest beat we say is semibreve. Semibreve is written in oval with the French name as ta, a. You can look at the rest. Then the number of beat is 4. The next one is dotted minim, where we have ta, a as the French name. The rest is here 3. Then followed by the minim itself now, where we have ta, a. It is here 2. The next one is crochet with ta. Then we said the symbol is in lightning form, or a working inverted 7. Then we have 1. When we go to the last one, second last is Quaver, where we have tate as a French name. Then walking stick, or 7. And the value is a half. Then the count is 2, which are 2 short forms. That is when we have tate, something like that. Then the last one is semiquaver, where we have tafa tefe as the French name, then inverted 7 with 2 tails or 2 flags. And the value is a quarter, but the counts are 4, which are short one. This marks today's music lesson. I have been your teacher, Sam Martins. Till we meet to the next class, I hope it will help you for your revision at home, or when you try to forget and also come online, you can subscribe for this and more lessons which are coming. See you in the next lesson. I'm Sam Martins. Thank you. Thank you, my director.